I welcome you all, my lovely students, to today's activity. What are we looking at? Plants and animals, and specifically animals. Animals. What are we learning under animals? We are learning to what? Identify the basic parts of what? Animals. The basic parts of what? Animals. Also what? Identify the parts of a what? A fish. That is, apart from the animals, we take fish alone and identify the various parts of what? Fish. Now, we will also look at how animals produce their what? Young ones. How animals produce their young ones. Now, let's quickly look at the parts of what? Animals. Now, when you take a critical look at animals, you realize that now they have what? The head. The head. 2, tail. Tail. 3, the body, and then the limbs. The limbs, or let's take the head. The head consists of the eyes, the brain, the ears, the nose, the mouth, everything. That is the head. When it comes to the tail, it involves what? The lower parts, specifically where you can find the tail of the animal is the lower side, at the upper side of the bottom, the anus. That is where specifically the tail is found. When you talk about the body all over like this, and then we have the limbs, which involve the legs and then the hands of the animals. Humans, we have their own head and then the legs, but animals, they have their 2 legs front, 2 legs what? Back. Now, when you look at what? Goat, cow, sheep, elephant, you realize that they are similar in nature. They all have what? Head. They all have what? Tail. They all have what? Body. They all have what? Limbs. But when we come to human being, like let's say some of the mammals like human being, we don't have what is called the tail. Have you seen it? We don't have the tail. Have you ever seen any human being having tail before? I wonder. If you have ever seen some, let me know. Let's continue to identify the various parts of a fish. The various parts of a fish. We have this side to be what? Look at it. Look at this side for what? What is this side? What is this side? This side and this side. We will be looking at all these things. Look at my fish. This is more or less tilapia. Alright. Now, from here, I have what? The mouth. The eye. Think about the other one. What is that? The next one is what? The scale. You write it. Scale. The other one is what? Dorsal fin. Somebody will ask if animals like what? Fish also have what? Tail. But today, according to our science, we are learning that fish also have what? Tail. Tail, look at it well. And the last one, we have what? Pectoral what? Look at it carefully once again. Pectoral fin. The eye. the mouth, the scale, the dorsal fin, the tail, and then the pectoral fin. Now, let's look at the last aspect of today's activity, how animals produce their young ones. How animals produce their young ones. We have one, by what? Laying eggs. So animals lay eggs. Animals lay eggs. They lay eggs. Two, animals give birth. So whilst some animals what lay eggs, others what give birth. In our previous lesson, we learned that animals are grouped into 5 main categories. We have fish, we have insects, we have reptiles, mammals, and fish. Again, we have what? Fish, insects, look at it. Fish, insects, reptile, mammals, and the last one is what? Tell me the last. The last one is what? All right, birds. Reptiles, insects, fishes. All right, these are the main groups in which animals are grouped or classified. Now, when you take this, for instance, birds, they lay eggs. Let me write here, eggs. Insects, eggs. Reptiles, like snake, crocodile, they also lay eggs. Mammals, like human being, goats, cat, they give birth. Birds, they lay eggs. So these are the groups of what? Animals, and their what? How they produce their what? Young ones. Look at it. I'll be cleaning up this, and I'll be asking you more questions about this. Animals. Look at it carefully. Animals. I want to put it in a table form for you. We have animals, production. We have birds, what? Insects, fishes, we have reptiles, we have mammals. I said this one, birds, they what? They lay eggs. Insects lay eggs. Fishes lay eggs. Reptiles lay eggs. Mammals, they give birth. Now, I've done a lot on this work for you. Questions will follow very soon. Till we meet again, read through, let me know of your difficulties. Bye-bye.